Design thinking offers a robust methodology for leadership and teams to create new products, services, or processes. Design thinking is all about people and all about iterations. Teams use a non-linear, iterative process in order to understand people, understand the problem better, and then develop solutions that work. After coaching teams on design thinking for many years, we've identified the main challenge to implement it smoothly in a workplace. Many leaders and teams reported that they liked the trainings, they liked the methodology, and they also enjoyed collaboration in teams during the training, but it was simply hard for them to imagine how they can use all these methods and approaches in their day-to-day work. And this is what we all want, right? We approach it differently. We intend to make this training as practical as possible. We will learn about your culture, we will learn about your challenges, and we will also identify the spots where design thinking might be very useful for you. We don't intend to change your process, but boost it with visual methods. Practical knowledge only. Ready to try design thinking in your team? Book a call now to discover what we can do to boost your team collaboration.